Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and for what I believe is the first beekeeping video that I've uploaded to this channel. It's definitely the first swarm catch of 2024. As you can see, I'm just getting prepared to shake the swarm off onto this frame. The swarm's not too big, maybe about the size of a grapefruit or something like that. I don't know if you can really see it all that well. I should have zoomed in a little bit better, but there you can see it. That's probably 75% of the bees there. I did catch the queen in there. I saw her whenever I was going through in just a few minutes looking around. But like I said, this is the first call I've gotten this year, but I did have 2 other swarm calls on Saturday. Weather got up to about 78, 79 here on Saturday. So it's that time of year. Usually around March 1st we start getting swarms. 2 years ago I caught my first swarm on February 14th or 15th, I believe, so middle of February. That just happened to be a really early swarm, but last year I think it was middle of the March like this one was. But as you can see, I've got most of them already in the box. That's slightly off camera. I do move the camera in just a minute, so if you don't mind, just hang in there and watch for a minute. And I'll just let these bees settle down. And then I went back after dark and picked them up and moved them to their permanent location. But here I am, just moving the box a little bit closer to where they were on the bush. That way the bees that are flying around can smell the queen and start going into the box. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to be quiet now and just let the video play. And if you guys don't mind, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Thanks.